In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front exterior door handles on this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located on the outside of the front doors. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this panel. Use a trim tool. We just want to get underneath here. You can use a couple trim tools. Just pop it out. There you go. Just pulls out. It's just clipped in. We're going to take this panel off, just use a trim tool, just get underneath here. Pops out. The connector, I'm going to disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide it out. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take these bolts out. Now with the trim tool, we're just going to get behind this bracket, pull that off, take the bezel off where the switch is, just slide it up, pull that out. You might need a trim tool if it's stuck in there a little more. We can disconnect the connectors, push down on the tabs, slide the connectors out. It's a screw right there. Take a 10mm socket, take that out. I'm just using a trim tool. We're going to go around the perimeter, pop the clips out. Clipped in a little bit, and it comes right off. I'm going to pull back the vapor barrier. If you need to, you can use a utility knife and cut the butyl tape. If you need to, you can add more butyl tape if it's not sticking. And you're going to put it back together. We're going to disconnect this connector. We're going to pull this connector down. There's a retainer there. Just use a trim tool. Just get underneath the retainer. Just pop that down. Now we can disconnect it. Just push down on the tab. Slide that off. You can see the lock rod that comes down. We're going to pop this off. It's a retainer. You just slide the retainer and then pull that out. I'm going to take this cap off. Just use a trim tool or straight blade screwdriver. Pop that off. Using a T30 socket, I'll loosen this screw up. Now grab this cover. You can wiggle it a little bit. It should come out. Might have to work it back and forth a little. And just pull that out. Grab the handle and pull it towards the outside of the door. And then just guide the wiring harness out. And it just comes right out. I'm going to take the connector, just rotate that. Slide that in. It's going to go in just like that. Have it forward a little bit. And then we'll slide it back. slide it back towards the inside of the vehicle. Now we're going to take the cover off. Just use a straight blade screwdriver, get underneath here, that little clip, pop that off. Take the new one, line that up, and it clips in place. Now I take the cover, slide the rod in, and we'll get this lined up. While you're pushing the cover in, we'll just tighten the bolt down. And snug that down. That's good. I'll put the cap on. Now, grab the lock rod. And we'll attach that. And take the connector, plug that in, lock it down, get it lined up. And push it in place, just like that. Now take the vapor barrier and just slide it back in place. Push it down. And if you need more butyl tape, you can add some if you need to. Otherwise, just push it, get it in the same location as it was. Now we can disconnect the connector for the window switch. Pull that out, just push down on those tabs. Now take the door panel and make sure you pull the wires through. Top lined up. With that all lined up, just push it down in place. Now I take this screw, get this started here, and tighten it down. Snug that down. Now connect the window switch. Both connectors. Just get this to line up. Clip it down and take this bracket. Get this lined up. Clip it in place. Put these screws in. Snug these down. And the other screw up here, and we'll tighten this down. Take this cover, plug in the switch for the mirror, lock that in place, get this lined up. Clip it down. Now take this bezel, line it up. Make sure it's lined up and clip it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.